You can raise hand. First, you have to answer these questions, and then I will say, right? So, can anybody of you say what is cloud? Yes, no, raise hand, anything? ઓકે, આમાંથી કેમ લોકો લીવ થતા જાય છે? આ ક્વેશ્ચન ના આન્સર પાછળ હું આપવાનો જ છું, પણ અત્યારે તમારા કોઈએ કંઈ કેવું છે વોટ ઇઝ ક્લાઉડ, શેર યોર એક્સપિરિયન્સ. લાસ્ટ યર તમારામાંથી કીધું કે ઘણા 30 ડેઝ ઓફ ક્લાઉડ અટેન્ડ કર્યું હતું, તો એમાં એ તો ખબર છે ને કે ક્લાઉડ શું છે, રાઈટ? એનીબડી ઓફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ શેર એનીથિંગ upon this? Hey guys, please interact યાર. આવી રીતે વન સાઇડેડ સેશન નથી યાર. એવું હોય તો હું પ્રેઝન્ટેશન બંધ કરીને લાઈક ફેસ બતાવીને તમને ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પૂછું, એવું કંઈ કરવું છે? યપ, એનીથિંગ? Nobody, no comments, nothing. Okay, so I have to answer this. I will answer that. Okay, so what is cloud? તમે બધા લાઈક ગૂગલ ની સર્વિસીસ યુઝ કરો છો? જીમેલ, ગૂગલ ડ્રાઈવ,
Yes.
બરાબર? Yeah, everybody uses Gmail, Google Drive. We are currently on Meet. So આમાં કંઈક કંઈક ડેટા આવે છે, બરાબર? આ જે પ્રેઝન્ટેશન છે એ એક ડેટા છે, પછી બધાના નામ છે એ એક ડેટા છે. તમારું જીમેલ હોય તો એની અંદર તમારા જે મેલ આઈડી છે, તમારા જે ઈમેલ્સ છે એ એક ડેટા છે, બરાબર? પછી તમારે તમારી ગૂગલ ડ્રાઈવમાં તમે તમારો ડેટા એડ કરો છો, પર્સનલાઇઝ ડેટા. તમે તમારા ફોલ્ડર્સ ક્રિએટ કરો છો, ફાઇલ્સ ક્રિએટ કરો છો, તો એ એક ડેટા છે. તો ડુ યુ નો એ બધો ડેટા શું છે? તો કે ડેટા તો સિક્વન્સ ઓફ કેરેક્ટર જ છે, બરાબર? તો એ સિક્વન્સ ઓફ કેરેક્ટર સ્ટોર ક્યાં થયેલા હોય એના ઉપર હોય. કેમ કે જો સિક્વન્સ ઓફ કેરેક્ટર હોય તો યુ હેવ ટુ સ્ટોર ધેટ કેરેક્ટર્સ, રાઈટ? સો લાઈક ફોર સ્ટોરિંગ અમુક ડેટા એવો હોય, સમ ડેટા ટાઈપ્સ આર ધેર. જેમ કે તમારા લોકલ પીસીમાં કોઈ એક ડોક્યુમેન્ટ ફોલ્ડર છે, તો ધેટ ઇઝ ઇન યોર લોકલ. I cannot access that, right, until you share that with me or send me copy of that. But what if I have to? I like what, like centralized data I want. Like this PPT you are seeing, okay, the meet you are in. એનો બધા એનો ડેટા આપણા બધા માટે સેમ જ છે અને સરખો જ લોડ થાય છે. એ ક્યાંયથી તો આવતો હોય છે, નથી તો મારા લોકલ પીસીમાં, નથી તો તમારા લોકલ પીસીમાં, રાઈટ? અગ્રી વિથ મી? હા ના, કંઈક તો કયો. બધા ઊંઘી ગયા છો, અત્યારે ઊંઘવાનો ટાઈમ છે, તો ઓકે મીટમાં જોઈન થઈને પૂરું. હેલો,
Yes, continue.
વાહ, ઓકે. સો લાઈક યા લેટ મી ગો વિથ માય સેશન. સો લાઈક એ બધો જે ડેટા છે એ ક્યાં સ્ટોર થાય છે? તો લાઈક ફોર સ્ટોરિંગ ધેટ ડેટા વી નીડ ક્લાઉડ. ક્લાઉડ ઇઝ વોટ? ડેટા સ્ટોરેજ. એક ક્લાઉડ નો યુઝ શું છે? ક્લાઉડ નો યુઝ ડેટા સ્ટોર કરવા માટે છે. ડેટા ઉપર બીજા જે ઓપરેશન છે એ બી આપણે ક્લાઉડ થ્રુ કરી શકીએ છીએ. બટ ક્લાઉડ ઇઝ ડિસેન્ટ્રલાઇઝ સર્વર, બરાબર? કે લાઈક અહીંયા તમારે કોઈ સર્વર તમારા ઘરે રાખવું નથી પડતું. સર્વર તો તમને બધાને ખ્યાલ જ હશે, મૂવીઝમાં જોયું જ હશે કે બહુ બધી હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક હોય, કેબિનેટ્સ હોય, બરાબર? સો ધેટ ઇઝ વોટ સર્વર ઇઝ. પણ તમે કોઈ ડેટા લોડ કરવા માટે, જાણે કે તમારે ગૂગલ ડ્રાઈવમાં કઈ સેવ કરવું છે, તો તમે તમારા ઈમેલ વાળું તમારા ઘરે સર્વર નથી રાખ્યું. સો ધેટ ઇઝ સ્ટોર્ડ સમવેર એલ્સ એન્ડ યુ આર એક્સેસિંગ ઇટ. So that server is called what? Cloud. Right? Everybody understood what is cloud? સમજાઈ ગયું બધાને?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. So આપણે cloud જોયું કે like what is cloud? Right? Now let us jump to the next question. Okay. Somebody has said something in comment? Oh, no. Yeah. Or somebody raised a hand? કોઈ hand raise કર્યો હતો? Okay. No, no worries. So okay, we understood what is cloud, right? Cloud is what? The storage, centralized storage. હવે આપણા ટર્મ્સમાં ક્લાઉડ શું છે? તો કે ઇન ટર્મ્સ ઓફ કમ્પ્યુટર એન્જિનિયર્સ વોટ ઇઝ ક્લાઉડ? સો ઇન ટર્મ્સ ઓફ કમ્પ્યુટર એન્જિનિયર્સ ક્લાઉડ ઇઝ અ થિંગ વેર વી કેન ડિપ્લોય અવર કોડ, બરાબર? આપણો જે ડેટાબેઝ છે એ ત્યાં હોવાનો, આપણા કોડ ત્યાં હોવાના, અને ડેટા ઉપર જે એપ્લિકેશન્સ છે, બરાબર, ડેટા એનાલિસિસ થઈ ગયું, ડેટા ક્લિનિંગ થઈ ગયું, એ બધા આપણે ક્લાઉડમાં રાખશું, બરાબર? એટલે તમારી કોઈ જાણે કે વેબસાઇટ છે, ઓકે, તમારી વેબસાઇટની તમારી ફાઇલ લોકલમાં હોય તો તમે ગ્લોબલમાં શેર ન કરી શકો, બરાબર? તો એને ગ્લોબલમાં લઈ જવા માટે વોટ ડુ યુ રિક્વાયર? સો ધેટ રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ ઇઝ ક્લાઉડ સ્ટોરેજ, રાઈટ? તો અહીંયા તમે તમારા કોડને રાખશો અને ધેટ વિલ બી એક્સેસિબલ ફોર એવરીવન. ગોટ ધેટ એવરીબડી? ખબર પડી?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, if you have any doubts in between, you can like always unmute or put it in chat, right? તો chat box માં નાખી દો, chat box, okay, comment કરી શકો, anything, right? In between you can, yeah, I will answer that. Okay, so that was what cloud was for us, for computer engineers. For computer engineers, cloud is what deploying. It is a storage space where you can deploy and run your code, okay, so that your website will be live or your servers applications in general will be live, so your data will be live, okay, data will be centralized. So now the question comes, why to learn cloud? So like અત્યારે બધું છે એ ક્લાઉડ ઉપર શિફ્ટ થઈ છે, બરાબર? So cloud is the only thing which you have to access right now, બરાબર? કે જ્યારે અત્યારે જેટલું બી છે એ બધું ક્લાઉડ ઉપર જ છે, લોકલમાં કંઈ ચાલતું નથી. અને પહેલા એવું થતું કે જ્યારે ક્લાઉડ નહોતું ત્યારે તો કે બધી કંપની ખુદના ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર હોય, લાઈક દરેક કંપનીમાં એક ડેટા રૂમ, સર્વર રૂમ, એવું બધું હોય. આપણી કોલેજમાં બી તમે જોશો, there is data room, server room, for every department, right? But for the cloud, using cloud, you don't need that hardware part anymore, બરાબર? Using cloud, you like directly can access that thing using internet only, કે ઇન્ટરનેટ થી તમે એ વસ્તુ એક્સેસ કરી શકશો, કે જે તમે અહીંયા ડેટા ને બધું માટે સ્ટોરેજ ડિવાઇસીસ બનાવી છે એની જરૂર નથી. સો ધેટ ઇઝ ક્લાઉડ ફોર અસ. સો નાઉ ઇફ ધેટ ઇઝ ધ થિંગ, ક્લાઉડ થી આપણું બધું મેનેજ થાય છે, તો વી હેવ ટુ લર્ન ધેટ ક્લાઉડ, રાઈટ? સો ઇન ધ ક્લાઉડ યુ કેન ડુ વોટ? યુ કેન ડુ લાઈક remote desktop. There will be a virtual machine on which you will be running your code, right? For the cloud thing that is there, you will be that is virtual machine. Pachi, okay, so that's where you will be running your code, your website will be there, your data will be there, you will be applying analytics over there, okay? So that is what cloud provides, so we just need to learn that, right? Okay, okay, next thing, if a cloud does this many things, so we should learn, okay? Anybody having any problem? What is cloud or why we should learn that? I will elaborate that more. But if you have anything to say or anything to ask, is there anything? કઈ બી કોઈને કઈ બોલવું હોય, કેવું હોય? Nothing? બધા ઊંઘમાં જ છો એવું? Yes, Pawan. You want to say anything? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So like we have question from Jill, like what is the difference between cloud and database? Database is what? Database એટલે શું થયું? તો કે database is storage of database is some information, right? કે તમારી પાસે કઈ બી like you have data of what 100 student in college, બરાબર? So that can be used at database. But what is cloud? Cloud is where you put your database. Cloud is server. Think like cloud as storage. જેમ કે તમારું પીસી છે, બરાબર? તમારા પીસીમાં જે હાર્ડ ડ્રાઈવ છે એ તમારી સ્ટોરેજ છે, અને હાર્ડ ડ્રાઈવ ની અંદર કોઈ એક પ્રોગ્રામ છે અથવા તો કોઈ એક ફાઇલ છે. જેમ કે મારું નામ પાર્થ છે, તો parts.csv કરીને કોઈ ફાઇલ છે, તો that is data, બરાબર? Part of csv ની અંદર data છે. So like storing of that file folder, you can think as database. And the main thing, hard disk. Hard disk is what? That is a physical device, okay? And that can be stored cloud server. સમજાણું? એટલે ક્લાઉડમાં what? હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક જે તમને સપોર્ટ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે, that is what is cloud. સમજાણું એ ક્લાઉડના જે પ્લેટફોર્મ છે અહીંયા તમે તમારો ડેટાબેઝ સ્ટોર કરજો અને ડેટાબેઝ ઇઝ વોટ સ્ટોર ઇટ ઇઝ લાઈક storage unit. Database is storage, sorry, not storage unit. Database is storage space where that can be combination of files, multiple files and multiple folders, right? So that is what database is. Is there any question? Is it clear?
Yep.
Yeah, good. So that was all about why to learn cloud. One more thing. Okay. Does anybody of you know Kunal Kushwaha? કેટલાને ખબર છે કુનાલ કુશવાહાનું? આની પેલા નામ કે કઈ સાંભળ્યું હોય? હેન્ડ રેઝ કરો. ઓકે, ખાલી બે લોકોને જ ખબર છે ઘણા છે. Okay, so I can see many raised hands. Okay, so Kunal Kushwaha, like he always says, જે લોકોને ખબર હોય અથવા તો ન હોય કે ફ્યુચર ઇઝ ડેવઓપ્સ, બરાબર, કે જે ડેવલપર ડેવઓપ્સ છે, બરાબર, અને લાઈક યુઝિંગ ડેવઓપ્સ through remote jobs you can earn in lakhs. Okay, so that DevOps is what? Operations of cloud. Developer operations, that means launching your developed code, barabar, to the cloud side on these servers. That is what that contains, like in the broad definition of that is what? Okay, so like you can deploy your code onto the server using DevOps, right? That is its one application. So that is what DevOps is. Okay, so the main reason, if money is your motivation, also you have to learn cloud because it is paying remotely in lakhs, right? Okay, so let's jump to the next slide. Okay, so what is GCCP, right? Wait, let me show you. So we were talking about what is GCCP, Google Cloud Campaign, right? Google Cloud Career Practitioner Campaign. That is what GCCP is. So GCCP refers for Google Cloud Career Practitioner Campaign, barabar, in which the GDSC India will provide you a free access to a cloud engineering course, right? That you have to complete in 1 month. Okay, so you will be given free access for this, right? And after getting free access for this, you have to complete all this course. At last we will give you certificates and you might receive swags. Okay, I am saying might, it is not confirmed yet you will receive swags. Last year swags were given, this time it is not mandatory to give swags. So okay, that will be the thing of future. So this is what you will be provided with. Okay, so we have seen like, okay, what is cloud is this much big thing. Okay, so now let's see what is the you will be getting for preparing your cloud, right? So here you will be getting a course of cloud engineering past. All of these courses you will get. Okay, so there is in course there will be theoretical content as well as MCQs as well as labs. In there is quest is what? Quest is one part of the course, right? So in the quest, like as you can see, there are labs. Okay, so quest will mainly contain lab. Okay, and your courses will contain, okay, mostly theoretical concept like this with videos, and in that you will also be assessed with quiz, right? So that is what course is about, right? So આજે તમારો ભણશો તમે, like you will be learning cloud from that, right? So in cloud you will be learning what? First though, like cloud fundamentals. Okay, what is cloud, how you can access that. Okay, then essential things, these are courses for essentials. Okay, then elastic Google Cloud, that is about automation and scaling into the virtual machine. Then Kubernetes engine, Kubernetes, it's what you will be learning along the way. Or you can say that okay, this tab is running, this is one function. Now if I run this type of multiple functions, that will be called that management system is Kubernetes. Okay, that you will be learning. learning. Then there will be logging monitoring, which is like analytics of your site, like how fast your site is working, how ready to go is your code, how much time it is taking, what is latency, what is ping, everything about that you will be learning. Okay. Then there is quest. In the quest, બધા ક્વેસ્ટમાં જો ને 7 થી 8 લેબ હોય છે, બરાબર. તો તમારે પહેલા તો શું કરવાનું, આ ક્વેસ્ટને તમારે બિગિન કરવાની, બરાબર. અને ધેન ધેર વિલ બી એનરોલ ઇન ક્વેસ્ટ. તો તમારા જે એકાઉન્ટથી તમે જીસીપી, તમને આ કોર્સ મળ્યો હશે, બરાબર. એમાં એ એકાઉન્ટ યુઝ કરીને યુ હેવ ટુ એનરોલ ઇન ધીસ ક્વેસ્ટ. તમારી પાસે લાઈક રિસોર્સિસ હશે એનરોલ કરવા માટેના. જો તમે એ એકાઉન્ટથી નહીં કરો, then you will get what, તમારે આના માટે પે કરવું પડશે, બરાબર. સો યુઝ ધેટ એકાઉન્ટ. ઓકે. સો લાઈક ધેર ઇઝ ક્વેસ્ટ ની અંદર શું હશે, લેબ હશે કે જેમાં તમારે પ્રેક્ટિકલ ટાસ્ક કરવાના હશે. અહીંયા જે તમે ઉપર ભણ્યા હશો ને એ તમારે લેબ્સમાં કરવાનું હશે, અને લેબ્સમાં બીજું ભણવાનું બી હશે. સો લાઈક ક્વેસ્ટ કઈ કઈ ટાઈપની છે એ બી આપણે જોઈ લઈએ. એક તો ક્રિએટ એન્ડ મેનેજ રિસોર્સિસ. રિસોર્સિસ એટલે તમને બધાને સમજાય? Resources, anybody of you can say me what is resources, what are resources? Yes, anybody? Oh, nobody knows about resources. Nobody. Okay, so let me say that let me inform that that resources is what, piece of codes or say anything, documents, chunks, chunk of information, right? That can be like we can say that as resources, or just some data. So like you need to create and manage resources in which you will learn how to like develop your, how to manage your code through crowd, like then foundational tasks. Here you will be you will be setting up pipeline and everything, right? On okay. And then you will be given virtual machines and that thing that will be in there. Okay. Also set up and configure in cloud environment. Here you will be creating an environment to run your code or deploy your application. And also in infrastructure level, so that you don't need every time to create your own infrastructure, right? And then there is deployment. Okay. So here you will deploy your application, and this course will be given to you. All this thing you have to complete in span of 1 month. That is 14th of September. Sorry, 14th of November to 14th of December, right? So everybody clear about GCCP? What you will be getting in GCCP, right? Anybody have any doubts? Yes, guys. If there is, ask it. No doubts are there? Okay, कोई ना. Yeah. So that was all about the GCCP campaign, right? Now we will be okay. Future cloud events. So I am dropping a link, barabar. So in the chat box there you can, like, if you learn this and you get interest in cloud, okay, you will be exposed to multiple events that are also international events. You can attend that event, learn more about cloud, learn new technologies or new updates of cloud, right? So that is all. That was the future cloud part. Okay, now your queries. Is there any query? Any questions from your side? Please drop your queries. Yes, guys. There is query that from Rashmi Paul. Is it free for every Google user? No, that is not free for every Google user. Okay, we will provide you the access. For that, I will be mentioning step, right? Okay, right. And the next is to storing data. Any other things are risky? I cannot understand your question properly. Dhruvisha, please just drop it again, or come online and mute. Okay. On cloud, on Google Cloud, you will have you data security is three-level security architecture, which you will learn in your journey. Okay. So there won't be any risk on putting your data on cloud, right? And it is it is much more safe than infrastructure thing, right? You got that? Sorry. Okay. Any other queries? Drop your queries in chat box. Okay. So there is question. Okay, that how cloud auto scales and handles load balancing. So for load balancing, there will be virtual machines, right? And there will be some computations power for that virtual machine. Okay, like you so buy when you buy the laptop, you will be buying with the processor, some processor. Okay, so that processor thing is also being applied over there. Like you have to buy some processor, and that you have to pay for that. And Google Cloud, in Google Cloud specifically, there is one service in which you can select pay as you use. Okay, so how much storage or how much computing you will be doing, you will be paying for that only, right? For that instance only. So that is what about auto scalings. Okay, so like you will be getting a particular GPU for that. Okay, GPU, CPU, all you have to mention. Okay, over there in the VMware, when you will be creating a virtual machine. Okay, on that virtual machine only you will be running your app, or okay, app or anything else. Okay, so database performance, you are doing any ML activity on specific data, that all the things will be on the app, that virtual machine only. Okay, virtual machine is what? Virtual machine is what, guys? Just a minute. Okay, so sorry for the interruption. Okay, so virtual machines are what? Virtual machine is a kind of thing that you can control. It's a PC only, but you can control your PC, or say your local PC. Okay, so that is what virtual machine. Okay, so that was about cloud. If there is any other queries, please put it in chat. And Sumit, I think it is clear now. Is there any question? Okay, no need to call me sir. I am just like pre-final year student. So okay. Any else query? Anyone else? Other queries? You have any doubt about cloud campaign? Okay. that need to be done in 1 month only. Okay, so let me see how you can enroll in this contest. So first, what you have to do, you have to like join the cloud with what, the newest account. Okay, so your account shouldn't be enrolled in any previous cloud campaign, right? So मैं ऐसा suggest करता हूँ कि go with the new account and create new one, right? And then click join and just complete these processes. Okay, afterwards, okay, so once you will be done with okay, creating your profile, then what you have to do, you have to go to my account and then settings. Okay, so here all the account details will be there for you. Okay, so here your subscription and credits will be there for you. Okay, currently I have 0 credits, but once you will be enrolled in the program, you will receive few credits, right? It is 0, but I think they will give you 100 credits. Okay, so use your credit wisely. Okay, so that will be a good thing for you, right? So what you have to do, this is your profile. Okay, cloud profile. So you have to share that profile with us. Okay, so here in profile tab, as you will be, okay, so make base profile public. First you have to make your profile public, right? Make public profile, and once you make your profile public, you will receive this, you know, you will receive this link. This will be like cloud skillboost.google and then slash public profile. So this is unique link for all of you, and you need to share this link with us. Okay, also, and also we will be further giving you that how you can do. There will, if you have any doubt anytime, you can contact us. We will be sharing one document which will also contain this app. Okay, and there is this form. I'm putting its link in the chat box. So by signing up this form, uh, after signing up this form, okay, after you fill it up, we will be mailing you the actual link to the form in through which you can enroll in Google Cloud, right? So this is the college level form. Okay, so first you need to fill it up, and then we will send you link to the actual form. Okay, and there will be a code, right? And that code will be also shared with you. So here put your basic details. This is just a basic form. Okay, so this is what you have to do for. And also here, that profile link I have obtained, right? This cloud skill boost. Here you need to wait. Okay, here you need to paste that link and make sure your profile is public and this link is accessible, because once you will be once this link is being said, we cannot do anything. Okay, so if you give us the fake link or a link with any error, you won't be able to get anything in benefit, or you won't be able to access the campaign. Okay, so please make sure to give right link and right email id. Okay, so this email id, and I suggest you to go with fresh email id, not previously used. Create one and then create a new one and then sign up for cloud skill boost. Okay, so everyone clear with the process, right? Anybody is having any question about the cloud or the how to enroll in cloud campaign? Nobody have questions? If you do have, please paste them in chat box. Okay, so there is group for that that has been shared. In also in this group also we will be sharing you all the details. Okay, and the document will be shared in all the groups of ID as well as GDSC group. No questions. So you all of you got what you have to do, right? Okay. I am assuming that there is no question. Still, if there is question, you can also always contact us, right? And fill this form fast because it has deadline of tomorrow morning, right? So okay, make sure you fill that form out in order to learn cloud and get some swags, right? Okay. So let's end this over here and everyone, right? Last call. If anyone have query, put that in chat box or just raise and unmute, whatever you want to do. Okay. No queries? I am assuming of no queries. Okay. We are ending this session over here. Thank you everyone for joining.